Everyone knows the rule. Drop your food on the floor, pick it up within 5 seconds, and it's safe to eat. But are we fooling ourselves, or are there some real science behind the 5-second rule? I'm Dale, the food safety dad, and today we're going to find out if it's safe to eat food from the floor. First, let's talk about what's actually on your floor. An average indoor floor hosts anywhere from 1,000 to 10 million bacteria per square inch. And that's not just an arbitrary number. And this comes from studies by NSF International, a public health and safety organization. And we're not just talking about dust. These include E. coli, Salmonella, Listeria, and other bacteria that can make you seriously ill. When food touches a contaminated surface, bacterial transfer starts immediately. Not in 5 seconds, not in 1 second, immediately. Research from Rutgers University tested this extensively, and the results are pretty clear. Bacteria can attach to food, sadly, in less than a second. The amount of bacteria that transfers to your food depends on 4 main factors. First is moisture. Wet or sticky food pick up far more bacteria than dry foods. A wet gummy bear will collect significantly more bacteria than a dry cookie. Second is surface area. The more surface area touching the floor, the more bacteria transfers. A slice of bread will pick up more bacteria than a small candy. Third is floor surface. Carpet transfers less bacteria than tile or wood, but carpet harbors much more bacteria overall. That means while less might transfer immediately, what does transfer could be much worse. And fourth is bacterial load. The more bacteria present on the floor, the more is going to transfer to your food. A recently cleaned floor is going to transfer fewer bacteria than one that hasn't been cleared in days. So let's look at some numbers from the Journal of Applied Microbiology. Research has shown that food dropped on a tile floor can pick up anywhere between 150 to 8,000 bacteria in just 1 second. By 5 seconds, that number has increased to over 10,000 bacteria. What makes this particularly dangerous is that it only takes as few as 10 cells of some types of salmonella to cause illness. This is according to the CDC. For E. coli, it can take fewer than 50 cells to make you sick. Temperature doesn't help either. While some bacteria need warm temperatures to grow, many foodborne pathogens can survive just fine at room temperature. Some can even survive in your freezer. The FDA confirms that freezing doesn't kill bacteria, it only stops them from multiplying. Here's what you might not know. The bacteria on your floor isn't just what's walked in on your shoes. Studies from the University of Arizona have found that indoor floors regularly contain bacteria from raw meat juices, from grocery bags, pet contamination, outdoor soil particles, bathroom aerosols, and kitchen splash contamination. So in short, the 5-second rule is the FDA and USDA are crystal clear on this. Any food that touches a contaminated surface should be discarded, regardless of how long it was in contact. The 5-second rule isn't just wrong, it's dangerous. Bacteria don't wait politely for 5 seconds before jumping onto your food. They transfer on contact, and they transfer fast. I'm Dale, the food safety dad, and until next time, go and wash your hands.